Once again, you are welcome to our class. Today we shall be looking at the VLookUp function. As you could see on your screen, as usual, I have come with my data to make my explanation very fast. So we are using VLookUp function. I said VLookUp function is best suited for situation when you are looking for a matching data point in a column and row, and when the matching data point is found, you go to the right in that row and fetch a value from a cell, which is a specified number of column to the right. What am I trying to say? When you have your data, you have inputted, let's say for instance, you have some students from 1 to 1,000, you have input it, and you look to find for somebody, a particular student, and with the score, or this class score, or the subject score, or the total score. Maybe you want to make an amendment. So instead of you to be scrolling up and down on your page, that is the function of our VLookUp. And any value you want to look is give you the answer to the right of your cell. But the value you are looking for is always the left of the most column. That means the value in the left column. For instance, if you want to look for a day, what do you want to look for a day for? Is it the chemistry or biology? But you cannot say you are looking for chemistry and using a day to be the criteria. No, it won't work. It has to be the left column, and your answer, what you are looking for, will come to the right side of your column. Now I said, look at the formula. The formula is V equals VLookUp, bracket open. Then you look up value, table array, call index, number, range, and lookup. I've tried to explain all those terms. The lookup value, we said it is the lookup value you are trying to find in the leftmost column of the table. As I've told you, any value you want to find must be by the left. You can't be finding a value of mathematics or of physics and you are going back to your left. No, it must be to the front, but the value you are looking for should be at the left. And the table array is the table in which you are looking for the value. This will be the entire table that contains score for everyone. Where am I looking for the table? That is the range of cells. For this is just an example of a range of cells that you are looking for. And the call index is the column index number from which you want to fetch the matching value. Looking at my column A, B, C, D, E. Now my call index is telling me that it should be from the column number. Indirectly, we will be converting all these ones to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Biology is in the 5th column of E. Chemistry is in the 4th column. Physics is in the 3rd column. Math is in the 2nd column. And name is in the 1st column. Knowing that, that means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. And the range you are looking for here, you specify whether you want an exact match or an approximate match for what you are looking for. Should the system return the true answer for you, or you should return the negative answer? The best is in your hand. So we are going to use this as a classwork for us, and it's going to be very simple. I said, using the above data, look up for Ade score in chemistry. We want to check what did Ade score. Ade can be in number 505 in my data if I have more than 1,000 students. So for me to be scrolling down and be looking for that score, especially maybe when the teacher made the mistake that, oh, the chemistry mark is wrong, and I want to confirm. Very simple. Let's just write our formula. Equals the formula VLookUp, bracket open, your quotation mark Ade and your quotation mark. It signifies what we are looking for. It has answered the criteria for number 1, lookup value, to be the leftmost column of the table, which is what? Ade. Then you do what? You initiate your bracket. Now, the table array is going to be your range of cells, and my range of cells is where? From year to year. Yes, do you see it has already picked it out for me? Yes, Good. That is my range of cells. Now, the score, Ade's score is chemistry. Chemistry is in what column? Column D, which equal what number? Number 4. As I've told you, column A is 1, column B is 2, 3 is 3, and D will be what? 4. So you input your 4. Then bracket. And the last one is the range. What do you want? If you want the system to insert an exact value, you just put your 0 and close your bracket. It's going to tell me what did Ade score? 89. Good. So you don't need to find anything. Do you see? Did my answer got it right? 89. That means in chemistry, Ade got 89. With this, I have looked for it and you have returned the answer for me. Is it correct? That is what we are looking for. Let's see, can we get the score for Matthew in mathematics? Equals VLookUp, bracket open, quotation, Matthew, don't misspell your word, quotation, comma, Matthew, then I have what? My table array. We should not forget that this is my table array, comma. Matthew mathematics is in what? Is in B5, which is in what column? Column 2. Then I input 2, bracket 0. Let's see if that thing is there, it will return. Good, it has returned it for us that it is there. But if I should just made a mistake and instead of me writing 2, then I went ahead and input maybe 3, it's going to find for physics for me instead of mathematics. It's going to find physics for me instead of mathematics. Can you see? It's going to find physics for me because my physics is in the 3rd column. So with this, you can easily pick anything you want to pick when you look up for a value and it's going to give you the exact match, or it's going to return if there is an error. If there is an error, let's see, equals VLookUp, bracket open, quotation term, quotation man, bracket for my table of my range of cells, yes, then I have what? I'm having 6 equals 1. What happened? Let's see. It's going to, what happened? Because my column heading is not up to number 6. As I've told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I asked the VLookUp to look up to column F. That is why it returns this error that no, #ref, something is wrong with your formula. So you have to correct it and it will give us the right answer. Let's see what happened. It gives me 87. I believe with this you are good to go. And I've always told us, if you have any question, please just drop your question in the comment section. We are going to give you a reply. Thank you.